Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Friendly. For few months I will be teaching on the study table instead of that whiteboard as I have to change the setup of my classroom. So please kindly cooperate with me and rest everything will be as earlier. Now let's begin the class. In today's class we will do question number 4 of exercise 2.3 from second chapter whole numbers from 6th class Maths NCERT book. Now let us read the question. The question is find using distributive property. There are 5 questions A, B, C, D and E. We have to find the product of these two numbers using the distributive property. Okay, so let us solve each part A, B, C, D and E using the distributive property. So let's start the solution. So first we will do question number A. 728 multiplied by 101. See, this multiplication if we do directly, 728 multiplied by 101, it will be quite a lengthy process. It will take quite long time to do the multiplication. So here what we will do, we will do this multiplication using the distributive property. We will find it using the distributive property. Okay, so let's start. So we will write 728 multiplied by, see this is 101. We can write 101 as 100 plus 1. Can we write it like this? Yes, we can write. So what was there? 728 should be multiplied to 101. Here also in this next step what I have done is I have broken this number in two parts as a sum of two numbers. Okay, this is known as the distributive property. Okay, so we will write it here as, or no need to write because it is already given in the question that using the distributive property, and we have used the distributive property. So what we will do in the next step, this number should be multiplied to both 100 and 1 because it has to be multiplied by 101. Here in this step we have written this 101 as 100 plus 1. So this 728 will be multiplied to 100 also and 1 also. Let us see how can we do this. So 728 will be multiplied to 100. Okay, now taken in a bracket, and this 728 will also be multiplied to 1. But there is a plus sign, so we will give a plus sign here and we will write 728 multiplied by 1 and we will take it inside a bracket. Now if we multiply 728 into 100, what will be the answer? The answer will be 728 and 0, 0. Okay, because 1 multiplied to 100 gives 100, 4 multiplied by 100 gives 400. Okay, so this number multiplied by 100 gives this number and 2 zeros. Like here it was this number multiplied to this gives 4 into 2, 4 and 2 zeros. So now plus sign is there and 728 multiplied by 1 gives, anything multiplied to 1 gives that same number. So 728. Now it is very easy for us to add these two numbers. What we will do? See what we do. 72800. No need to do this addition in this rough space. Just to show you how to do the addition directly, I am showing you. 728. So what we do? Ones place. The ones place of this number is here and the ones place of this number is this one. So ones place is added to ones place, tens place is added to tens place, and we take on the carry. Okay, so like that we can do that. So 8 will be added to 0, so we can write 8, 2 will be added to 0. In the hundreds place, this 7 and 8. So 7 and 8, 7 plus 8 is 5, 15, 1 carry, this is 2. So 2 plus 1 will be 3 and then 7. So we got the answer as 73,528. So you can do this addition directly. No need to do this addition in the rough space. Okay, now you are in, you came to class 6, so you should learn how to do these additions directly. No need to do it in the rough space. Okay, so this is the answer. We find this using the distributive property. Now let's come to B part. In question number B, we have 5437 multiplied by 1001. So we have to do this, we have to find this using the distributive property. So now let us start. 5437, okay, and this 1001 will be written as 1000 plus 1. Can we write like this? Yes, we can write 1001 as 1000 plus 1. Okay, we will not do the direct multiplication. We will make use of the distributive property and then we will find the product of these two numbers. So what was there? This number has to be multiplied by this. As we have written this number as like this, in this step also this number should be multiplied to both 1000 and 1. Okay, because this number has to be multiplied to 1001, but we have broken it as, or we have written it as 1000 plus 1. So in this step also this number will be multiplied to both 1000 and this number will also be multiplied to 1. So 5437 multiplied by 1000 taken in a bracket, okay, plus sign is there, so we will give a plus sign, and this 5437 will be multiplied to 1. 5437 multiplied by 1 and taken in a bracket. So now this multiplication becomes very easy. Otherwise, if we would have multiplied this number with this, it would be a lengthy process, it would be a time taking process. So now if we multiply this by this, what we will get? We have to write this number and the number of zeros there. Okay, how? As 2 into 1000 is how much? It is 2000, means 2 and the number of zeros. 15 into 1000 is how much? 15 and the number of zeros. So it gives 15,000. Like this, this number multiplied to this, what will be the product? What will be the answer? The answer will be this number and the number of zeros. Okay. Now plus sign is there. 5437 multiplied to 1. So what will be the answer? 5437. Anything multiplied to 1 gives that same number. Now we have to add these two numbers. Okay, 1's tens hundreds place. This is 1's tens hundreds place. So zeros will be added to these three. So 7, 3, 4, and in thousands place 5 is there. In thousands place 7 is there. So 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 will be carry, right? Now in this place, 10,000 place, no digit is there. So this 1 plus 3 will be 4, and this 4 will be as it is, and this is 5. So what is this number? This is 54,42,437. So we found the product of these two numbers using the distributive property, and we very easily got the answer. Now let us do question number C. Find using the distributive property. Using the distributive property, we have to find this. Okay, so we have to distribute the numbers. So this 824 will distribute it as 800 plus 20 plus 4. Okay, now this multiplication will become easy by using the distributive property. We have distributed the numbers, and this multiplied by 25. Okay, so 824 is written as 800 plus 20 plus 4, this all multiplied to 25. Okay, now 800 will be multiplied to 25, taken in a bracket. Plus sign is there, so we will give a plus sign. 20 will be multiplied to 25, taken in a bracket. Plus sign is there, so we will write 4 multiplied by 25. Okay, and this also will be taken inside the bracket. So what we did, we have written 824 as 800 plus 20 plus 4 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 25, and these all numbers should be multiplied to 25, because ultimately what was the question? The question was 824 should be multiplied to 25 using the distributive property. So we distributed the numbers, and then we have to do the multiplication with 25. So we have written this step. 800 is multiplied to 25, taken in the bracket, 20 multiplied by 25, taken in the bracket, and 4 multiplied by 25 and taken in the bracket, and as plus sign is there, so we have given the plus signs. So how to do this multiplication? See, we know that 4 into 25 is 100. See, 4 into 25 is 100. These all small multiplications we have to remember. Okay, 4 into 25 is 100. So 8 into 25 will be 200. Okay, so 200 and then these two zeros, right? Now plus sign will be there. 20 plus sign is there, so I have given the plus sign. 20 multiplied to 25. We know that 2 into 25 is 50 and this 0 will come, right? Now 4 into 25 is 100. We should know this. Now we have to add these three numbers. See, this is 500 plus 1 is 600 and this is 20,000. So what will be the sum? The sum will be 20,600. Okay, understood? 500 plus 100 is 600 and this is 20,000. So 20,000 plus 600 will be 20,600. So this is the answer. Understood? Now let us come to D part. We have to find the product of these two numbers using the distributive property. So what we will do, we will distribute this big number as a sum of small numbers. So 4,275 can be written as 4,000 plus 200 plus 200 plus 70 plus 5. Okay, and these all will be taken inside the bracket, and the sum of all these is this one. What we have done, we have written this number as the sum of these four numbers, and it is multiplied by 125. Okay, so what we have to do, so we have used the distributive property. This is known as the distributive property. Okay, now what we will do, we have to multiply each of these numbers by 125, because this has to be multiplied with 125. So as we have written this number as a sum of these four numbers, so these four numbers will be multiplied to 125. But now this multiplication has become easy and the solution will become easy. So 4,000 multiplied to 125, what it will be? See, 125 into 4 is how much? It will be 500. Let us check. 125 into 4. 5 4s are 20, 2 carry, and then 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 1 carry, 4 1s are 4, 5. So it is 500. 500 and these three zeros we will write. Okay. Now plus sign is there, so I will give the plus sign. 200 will be multiplied to 125. So 2 into 125 is how much? It is 250. Okay, you can check it, but it is 120. So these small multiplications you have to remember so that you can do it very quickly. 2 into 125 is 250 and these two zeros. Plus sign is there, so I have given the plus sign. 70 multiplied by 125. So 125 multiplied by 7 we will do, and we will write 1 0 there. So 7 5s are 35, 3 carry, 7 2s are 14 plus 3 17, 1 carry, 7 1 7, 8. Okay, so 8 7 5 and this 0. Okay. Now plus sign is there, so I'll give the plus sign. 5 into 125. 5 into 125 is how much? Let us check. 125 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 2s are 10, 11 12, 1 carry, 5 1s are 5 and 6. So it is 625, right? See, these are the small multiplications which I am doing in the rough space. Okay, but if you do this multiplication, it will be quite lengthy one, and there will be chances of mistakes. So we make use of the distributive property and we can very easily find the answer. Now we have to add these numbers. So what we did, we multiplied this 4000 by 125, we have given the plus sign. 200 is multiplied to 125, written here, and then plus sign is there, so we have given the plus sign. 70 is multiplied to 125, written here. 5 is multiplied to 125, written here with the plus sign. Okay, now we have to add. How we will add? We can directly add these numbers. See how we add. We write the ones digit, tens digit and hundreds digit, and then we add. Okay, so ones digit is added to ones digit, tens digit is added to tens digit, hundreds digit is added to hundreds digit. So here also we will do the same thing. Ones digit will be added to ones digit, so there are zeros in ones digit, so 5 will be written. In tens digit we have 2, 5. Okay, here zeros are there, so only 2 and 5 will be added, and we will write 7. In hundreds place 6 and 7 is there, others have 0, 0. So 6 and 7 is 13, so 1 carry. Now in thousands place no digit, thousands place 8 is there, thousands place 5 is there, here thousands place 0 is there, so 8 and 5, it is 13 plus 1, 14, 1 carry. Now 10,000s place, there is no 10,000s place here and here, it is 2 in the 10,000s place. In the 10,000s place what is there? It is 0, so this 2 plus 1 will be 3. Now which is left? Ones, tens, hundred, thousands, ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s. Okay, so 10,000 is over. Now what is left? Ones, tens, hundred, 10,000, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, only 5 is left. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 5,34,375. So no need to do this addition in the rough space, you can do it directly in the fair space. Okay, so understood how to do this problem. The addition also is very simple. See, when I tell you to add 25 and 365, what you do? Ones place is added to ones place, tens place is added to tens place. Okay, like that we do. Here also we will add ones place to ones place, tens place to tens place, and like that we can find the answer very easily. So I hope you have understood. Now let's come to E part. In question number E, we have 504 multiplied by 35, and we have to find this using the distributive property. So what we will do, we will write 504 as 500 plus 4 multiplied by 35. So what we did, we have written 500 as 500 plus 4 multiplied by 35. Now in the next step, what we will do, we will multiply this 500 by 35. So 500 multiplied to 35, and plus sign is there, so plus sign, and 4 will be multiplied to 35. Okay, so what we did, 500 is multiplied to 35 taken in a bracket, plus sign will be there. Okay, because plus sign is there. Again 4 will be multiplied to 45, will be multiplied to 35, and it will be taken inside the bracket. So 5 multiplied to 35, what will be there? 5 multiplied by 5, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 6 are 15, 16 and 17, so 17, and these two zeros. Okay, understood how this multiplication is done? 5 is multiplied to 35 written here, and the 2 zeros, right? Plus sign is there. 4 will be multiplied to 35. 4 5s the 20, 2 carry, 4th is a 12, 13, 14. So it will be this one. We can very easily add now. Ones and tens place, ones and tens place. So 0 0 will be added to 4 0. So this one. In hundreds place 1 and 5. So 6. Now 7 and 1. So what is the answer? The answer is 17,640. Understood? In the next class, we will do question number 5 of the same exercise 2.3.
If you like my teaching, then share the video with your friends and relatives, and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of the upcoming videos. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.